Okay, guys, it's Ivy. It's time for Dollar General's Any Day Deals. 24 days of Christmas early activation. I'm going to try and attempt. And also, we have a 5 off of 25, guys. Now, let's get to some Any Day deals that we should be doing. The cereal, which are awesome deal. Now, this is the first time I'm in an old store. The Raisin brand has been on the 4 for $8, the Kellogg's, okay? But the box is super small. They shrunk it down to put it in that group, guys. So they will be $2 each. I'm going to grab 2 boxes of the Raisin brand right here. You see how small it is compared to the large size? Super little. Okay. Look at that. And then, guys, I also need the Kellogg's Rice Krispies. And let me tell you, they are going out the door. Watch this. See how they do that? They make it look like it's a lot of them. So I do need the Rice Krispies for some Christmas treats that'll be going on in my house and at my daughter's cookie bake. Don't forget the 24 days of Christmas. Now, it is 7 p.m. at night on Monday. I'm going to grab 5 more totes, but I came in here to see if I could early activate the DiGiorno pizza at $4.50 plus get the soda for free. Now, the cheeses are 2 for $4 at $2.75. So that would make them $2 each. Again, another instant offer. What the deal is with the instant offer, guys, is we do have a Monday through Friday 5 off 25. It might be hard to get it up there because we got to cover those instants that we got for it, okay? So make sure you take that into consideration. You'll have to go super above what you need to cover all of the instant offers that we have. Now, our best deal this week is going to be on the frosting for the Betty Crocker. This is flying off the shelves everywhere, guys. If you buy 1 Betty Crocker frosting at $2, you'll get the cake mix for $1. But they also have a cash back of earn $1. You have to buy 3 Betty Crocker items, though. Once you pay out, you get that $1 back, and then you will end up paying $1 for each one frosting and 1 cake mix, okay? So you can also do that. Now, this is a new one. It's called Strawberry Zeta. So I'm going to try that one. And then this is a box of strawberry cake mix, okay? I'm going to put that. Hey, guys, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you subscribe, okay? Now, we're going to grab that there. Make sure you scan it because not all of the frostings and cake mix, not all the cake mixes are included in this deal. Just make sure yours is included. I kind of grabbed the ones that had the tag over them already, okay? That's how I did that, guys. So here we go right here. I want to use that $1 cash back on the $1.25 sugar cookies. All gone. All gone. If you are a baker, homesteader, farmsteader, grab it. Now, here is a stock up baking deal that I'm going to do. On the brown sugar, it is $2.35. I am going to pick up 5 of those. And it is a save $5 when you spend 15. Now, my math did not math correctly, guys. So make sure you do your own math for 5 brown sugars. That's what I need. I should be finished until it get warm outside again. Now, I'm going to pick up also 1 cocoa mix. It is at $3.85 originally, on sale for $3.50. Make sure you scan because everything does not match the bakery deal, okay? All right, so we're going to see $3.50. Make sure it matches the offer for the save 5, spend 15. Now, when I do the math, you're going to see I mathed it wrong. 235 times 5, that's 1175 plus $3.50 for the cocoa mix takes us to $15.25. Instead of me taking 5 off, I took 3 off, guys. So it should have lowered it to $10.25, not $12.25. So you should have spent $1.04. Okay, so that was my error, guys. Make sure you do your own math. You got, even with a calculator, I am not good at math. I am a nurse and a couponer, okay? So to spend 15, save 5, that is that group right there. So if you want to stock up on that, that's going to be an awesome deal. I am also going to try the 5 off 25 with this entire deal. The thing is, guys, we have a lot of offers, instant offers in here, which DG wants you to cover it if you're going to use their 5 off of 25. So I would have to cover that $5 from the spent 15, save 5 on the baking goods if I include it all together with the spend save 5 off of 25. Are you guys understanding me? I know I'm kind of stumbling. If I don't and it doesn't reach it, then I'm okay. It'll just take the 5 off of the 15. So make sure if you're doing any type of instant offers that you're covering whatever it is that's included in there. So if the cereal, all of this, if the cereal is $3.85, then you need to cover the cost of it because it's going to be 4 for $8 or $2 each. So you need to cover $1.85. That's usually how you know to cover it. So just so it won't be harder, make sure you put in well over the price of that, all right? If it works, we should be down to $1.51 each for some of it. So if it's the cereal for $1.51, that's a nice deal, okay? So here I am trying to attempt the cereal. So yeah, $2.85. If they're 4 for $8, then you will be needing to cover $1.85 for each box of cereal, okay? Each box. Now, guys, I got something that popped up. A lady came back and she is livid. She's livid because of the DiGiorno pizza. We are in an old store and they did not allow for her to do an early activation on the pizza. She said it's a sign up there. He will not even cash it out. He won't even ring it up because he said it was complete chaos on Sunday with the totes that early activated. The totes did early activate. Some stores didn't. Like I told you guys, every store does not early activate. Make sure you remember that. But the pizza apparently early activated at some stores, and this store right here won't honor it. He won't even ring it up because he said it was too much chaos and he won't do it. But we're going to try and get the pizza for $4.50 for the one with the free soda, okay? And if it doesn't work, just do it on Tuesday morning. It's not a big deal. But we got to kind of act like we got some sense in there because I could hear her language from the front of the store and it sounds ridiculous, the things that she's saying. So let's be diligent, guys. And we love all our Dollar General cashiers and associates, okay? At least I do. In the stores, I mean. So I hope you all are looking at this deal. If you're a baker, stack up on this deal. It is stock up time, guys, in DG. And here is my tea that's 2 for $4. I'm going to actually get it for my mom because I'm not a big fan of this tea right here. And if they are 2 for $4, guys, and originally $3.25, we're literally getting one tea practically free. And they gave us a 25-cent cash back. You could do it up to 5 times. So I am actually going to, after I cash back, I will give 50 cents back on that deal, guys. Hey, guys, make sure that you use those deals. Monday through Friday is your best time to do your 5 off of 25 and stock up on food deals, Christmas deals, all type of items. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Bye.